3 areas that you see there on the screen to help you be successful with your upskilling and L&D program. So we've got culture, mindset, and people. We've got strategy and people, and we've got feedback and people. So probably the first thing you're wondering when you see this list is, why are people in each step? Well, people are purposefully listed in each step because we cannot forget. They are the most important. They're the heart of our organization, our biggest asset along the way of any major change. And I think all of us lived that pretty collectively during the pandemic. We've got people's feelings, their behaviors, their beliefs, and we tend to be creatures of habit. And so change is just not something we love. And we've been experiencing a lot of it lately. So you can either empower your people to be your biggest advocates, or they can end up being the ultimate barrier to any change you want to make. So you've got to prioritize communication. And I really want to prioritize that like with your people, not to your people, because you want them to be part of the conversation.